Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Tutor Pratik. Today we are going to learn paragraph setting in HTML. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell button that you can be notified whenever a new video arrives. Let's start today's session. While we type any paragraph of text in HTML, and saved and when checked in our browser, it will not be so as we type in our coding. We made two paragraphs in our coding, but in our browser there is only one paragraph. In this case, to make and setting paragraphs, we need to use paragraph setting tags. For making any block of text as a paragraph, we have one tag called p tag. Just add a p tag in the front of paragraph and close this p tag after that paragraph ends. Similarly, if you have two paragraphs, use another p tag for another paragraph. Now save it our code. Let's check it in our browser. Now we have two paragraphs in our browser. A paragraph tag P automatically adds a line spaces in each paragraph. Similarly, if you type a text in HTML and various designs making the spaces gaps and save it, but while we check it in a browser, there will not be any spaces in the middle of any text. The given spaces will be automatically trimmed by the HTML code, and in browser it will not be displayed. Whenever if you need any text formats, what you type in your HTML should be displayed same as in the browser. Then at that condition, you can use another tag called pre-tag. By using pre-tag, we can display the text in the same manner what we typed in our HTML. Now inside this pre-tag, what we typed any text designs with spaces, it will be displayed same in the browser. Like I'm typing like this N, then enter one tab, E, tab, P, tab, A, tab, L. So I made my text like in this pattern and I want to display same in the browser. For this kind of purpose, you can use this pre-tag. Let's check it out in our browser. Before this, save this code and let's check in our browser. Now we got the same pattern what we typed in our HTML code. Similarly, while we typing any paragraphs, if we need some block quotes in our paragraph, we can use another HTML tag that is block quote. Let's make one sentence of this paragraph as a block quotes. Just add the block quotes tag in which text you want to make block quote. Save our code and let's check it in our browser. As we applied block quotes in this sentence, HTML made this sentence as a block quotes and give some space in the front and up and down. In this way, we can make changes of the settings of paragraph in our HTML. That's all for today. We'll come back soon with new interesting and informative videos. Until then, take care, goodbye.